E-bike.
Why is it blue?
Because they asked what color I wanted. We're so over the green phase.
That's why you're wearing a green shirt today.
Oh no. Woo! Minecraft.
Imagine having to message the company like, oh, a chainsaw popped the tire. This is the Engine Pro 2.0.
It looks cool from the side.
I'm not at the side. Yippee!
Side. Ingui.
Like
Hey, it's vinyl
camera.
wrapped.
You can't scrape it off during the view.
I don't really like
You gotta do.
Look, it's got an iPhone 4S. What bike has 8 years? Oh.
I'm waiting for it to go through the Subaru. Please don't hurt me.
Where's my guru remover? Oh. Please, say a little prayer with me. Oh. Oh, thank God. Oh, it's gone. Oh.
Oh, but now it smells like the goo remover.
It is cancer causing.
Oh, good. I don't think I caught it hitting the Subaru actively because I wasn't expecting you to thunder it at the Subaru the second I said, make sure you don't hit the Subaru. Is the mirror okay?
Oh.
I actively smell the cancer forming in my brain.
Anyway.
I hate the viewers. I want them to get nauseous. You bullied me. I got cyber-bullied. I'm gonna make a twit longer. Why am I here getting bullied by your fans?
You don't even get paid.
Your mic smells weird.
This is unique. I haven't seen that on a bike before. Oh! Are there instructions?
You're gray sweatpantsing it up, but your pants are like disgusting looking.
Oh, is that snot?
Well, there's snot there. There's a smudge there. Do you have a P.O. box for fan mail?
It's not private, but it's not public.
$2.50 bounty to anyone. If you send me the address that we're at right now, you get $2.56 sex.
I will have sex with you personally.
If you guess his address. Oh, did you put the cancer goo by my monster?
Again?
Oh my God.
Last time. I need to blow my nose again, but I don't want to. Because then you're going to film me doing it.
Come on, little snot boy. There's one there.
It smells a little rapid remover-y. I think I inhaled the rapid remover. Where's the paper towel roll?
Your nose is turning red.
It's rapidly removing my lifespan. How do I put it together?
You have sweat stains.
Minimum insertion.
Is that a worm?
We got worms.
Oh, let's do a worm count. The first person to guess how many worms are in the driveway gets $3.50 plus sex with Alex.
Oh! They gave us tools.
Why does your camera have STDs? If this video goes poorly, I will kill Tyrone. Is this why you don't have a girlfriend?
Because it's bent?
Yeah.
It is quite familiar looking.
My hands are tired. Can I go home now? I don't like watching you slightly moan.
Oh!
Farted.
There's no seat on it. There's no way this is how it works.
What's this blanket? He's just a girl who loves wolf. Nice blanket, dude.
Thanks.
You've still made no progress since we last checked in.
I have rapid remover in my nose.
Why are you so shaky? Oh my God.
Probably the rapid remover in my nose.
The Chad and Gween versus the soy. What is that, Fido?
Isn't that horn icon upside down? It's upside down. Like right side up for you.
Why are you sitting like you pissed yourself?
Is it straight now? Yeah.
You clearly are.
I don't like the hole. Can I request a holeless version? Seething. Ah!
What?
Wait.
What?
Are they like also a playing card factory?
What is that?
How do you say the name?
Ingui.
I love my Ingui e-bike. I love to ride On the road.
I love to ride men. Join goherping.gg, go discord.goherping. If you want to be the next GoHerping cameraman, guess our address, show up at 3 a.m. Bring a gun. Friendship with Fido, over. Friendship with Ngui, do a TikTok dance. I have a learning disability.
My thumb hurts.
Me never. What is that posture, dude?
It's like useful being able to like.
Are you kidding me?
It's like a 2x zoom.
No,
so
dude. You can't. You can't. No!
What happened? Did you sit on it?
I don't know.
If only I had a wrench that I didn't leave in my Subaru engine bay that flew off on the highway.
Snot boy, little snotty man.
Oh! It's in my mouth. Oh! The horn is upside down because I put the handlebar on upside down. We did it. Oh, why is it pointed like that? Okay, I guess that's right.
Why are the handlebars so high?
I don't know. They're really high.
Give me the wrench. No, look.
No.
No, look.
No.
Look. Someone said gay little bike. Where's the dumb? Well, here's your roommate is annoying and doesn't. If you're Mr. C6 guy, I want to give him something. If he DMs me, I'll draw him pregnant. God, you're stepping in the worms. Lift your foot.
Full.
Okay, that's a decent screen though. Wait, like I actually can't.
Why do you keep slipping off? Okay, will it fit in the car? If it doesn't, I'm gonna be really sad.
Oh, it's got a stand.
I mean, okay, already this could fit in an SUV. There's no way it's gonna fit, is it?
I believe. I'm delusional. Oh, it folds.
Oh! I mean, this is compact for sure. I just don't have an SUV. I'm scared I'm gonna scratch the car. Wait. Oh!
Imagine if you're like an inch off.
Look at that. I can transport it.
Not check.
I could take that, put my mountain bike on my carrier. I'm so happy it fits. I was really scared it wouldn't.
The handlebars folding, definitely.
That's safe. I didn't even realize they fold. I think it's 90 pounds.
I don't think I'd be able to do that. Average woman experience.
Can woman put e-bike in car?
Like, how heavy is it? Ow.
Okay, well, woman off to poor start.
Woman bleeding. Oh, I grabbed this cut off zip tie.
Yeah, you can do it. Press the, there's a little clip, yeah.
I don't know where to grab it. I need handles.
Woohoo!
It just barely. It actively moves the bike to close it.